All right, so we're about to see quite a few apartments. This is actually on a show floor for the Parkside Residence. So this is apartment number 1501, and this is C1. So C usually means a 3-bedroom. So this is a 3-bed plus flex and a 2.5. So let's look at it. I can't wait for you to see it. So we're walking in. Oh man, this is gorgeous. I love the half bath that's there. Look at these beautiful features in the half bath too. Just lovely. Isn't that gorgeous? And then we're gonna go take a look at this. You're gonna have things like your thermostat's gonna be smart and things like that. But then, wow, look at this. It's just phenomenal. Look at this. This is like a work of art. It's just beautiful. I don't know if I've ever seen a more beautiful 2-story high-rise apartment. This is phenomenal. Can you imagine living here? The fun you'd have, the light, and the brightness, and just you'll just be energized by that light. It's awesome. But then you're going to be able to have incredible events here. Look at this, just phenomenal. Oh my goodness. Let's explore this kitchen just real quick. I just want you to see it. There's just so much to see. But look at this kitchen. Beautiful drawers. You've got quartz countertops, and these are really easy close European drawers. You've got gorgeous gas with your Bosch stove. Just absolutely love it. You got Bosch. That's of course very high end. Bosch microwave, and then a wonderful fridge that's here. Oh, I just love this. Love this. This is just sumptuous. I love the huge island that's here too. This is amazing. This can serve a lot of people. And you don't need a table if you want to. You can just have a bunch of bar stools here and really enjoy. You do have things like over here, you've got a wonderful wine fridge, and so just kind of a wine bar area. That's cool. Hey, so now let's go explore one of the bedrooms. So there's one bedroom over here. Let's take a look at it. Oh my goodness. So this is gorgeous. This is a 1-bedroom. Plenty of space for king, California king, whatever. The floor is really pretty. I like the more natural look of the brown. There's a lot of window coverage here, but this is afternoon, so you notice you're not really getting blasted by sun. This is great. This is my kind of place because it's just more of a north-facing view, I guess in this case, but it's really, really nice. Hey, let's go in the exquisite bathroom. The exquisite bathroom is beautiful. Look at this. This is dual sinks, beautiful quartz countertops, these dual mirrors with the lights around the mirror. Oh, it's just sumptuous. Isn't this delightful? Wouldn't you love this as your experience? And even little details like their drawers. So I love it that they have the nice set of drawers here. The drawers in bathrooms, honestly, are usually just an afterthought. I don't like it how people don't really pay attention to it, but this is phenomenal. Look at this. It's kind of like a built-in linen pantry, linen closet, and it's right there, beautifully designed inside this bathroom. This is phenomenal. Now the shower is absolutely exquisite. This is exquisite. Look at this detail. It's gorgeous. So this beautiful shower with gorgeous backsplash. There's so much space in here. You could have a lot of room, let's put it that way, in that shower. Also, you do have a wonderful tub. This is a really wide tub. I love the little feature where there's a lot of space there in the back, so you can sit there if you'd like, or whatever you need to do. So beautiful, beautiful tub. I'm walking into the closet. The closet is gorgeous. Look at this. It's just delightful. The closet is delightful. Look at this level of detail. Oh my goodness, this is just gorgeous. So much space, so much storage in here. This is just phenomenal. Wow. Okay, so we're now going to go back into the living area, and we're going to go to another video. There's just so much to see, so we're going to go to part 2. Let's go see part 2.